Okay, so you're wondering, do you want this single serve or 2-cup, big hefty 2-cup, nice size coffee maker? There's only one way to tell. We need to unbox it. It's from Famiworths. Set it up and make some coffee. What do you say we do that now? So while I unbox it, I do need to tell you that this was provided to us to do this review, but no instructions. So I am free to say it is a 1 if it sucks. To make some amazing coffee. It's going to be 5. It's going to cheat a little bit because I have some very special Kona coffee from Hawaii, which I want to make with this. Because one of the things that you can do is you can make a double-size cup with coffee grounds, or you can use a conventional K-cup. Okay, so some of the cool things about this, like I said, it is magical in the sense that either you can make a conventional K-cup, or you can use this and make a 14-ounce or smaller, but a 14-ounce giant delicious cup of coffee. One of the things I like about these single-serve kind of things is your coffee is always fresh and hot, like that perfect temperature, hot, ready to go. And it also has an option. Just click it if you want your coffee a little more bold. So let me set it up. Let's brew some coffee, see how it tastes. So the operation is ridiculously simple. You put the water in the back. It has a really nice indicator on the fill level, so you can tell whether you're just doing a regular cup, a larger cup, or a 14-ounce max cup, which is what we're going to do. Here is my 14-ounce max cup. Now look, this is a giant mug and there's still room. So if you had like one of those to-go mugs, it would easily fit in there. Then we're going to take our coffee and put it in here. As I said, we're going to use some spectacular Kona coffee straight from Hawaii. Ooh, look at that, right up to the max line, clearly indicated. We're maxed out. We're maxed out on water, we're maxed out on coffee, we're maxed out because that's the way we roll. I'm gonna hit the bold button and let's see what happens. Lit up. Okay, so while this is brewing and it's pretty much finishing up, I see my delicious coffee coming to life. I'm going to give you a ninja trick for this, okay? I happen to like oatmeal in the morning, and if you just want to make enough hot water to make your oatmeal super simple, super easy, you just don't put anything in the K-cup or you don't put anything in the grinds cup there, and you just run it through and you're going to make hot water. Works the same for tea. You can quickly and easily make yourself that tea or your oatmeal. Don't put the oatmeal in the machine. I didn't say that was the ninja thing. The oatmeal goes down there, the water goes through the machine. Oh, that coffee's looking good. Perfect giant cup of coffee. Looks like it is brewed awesome. Oh, the aroma's so good. That's Kona speaking. He's excited about it too. So this is ridiculously cool. I love that it is this giant glass because that has been one of my biggest K-cup complaints, in that you can only get like these shot-sized glasses, and I drink a lot of coffee. So this is great, and I can actually brew it to the strength I want. I'm gonna have to give this an absolute 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This is definitely a winner in the Doug and Nikki household. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time. Kona will see you next time too.